Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make the black screen, sorry, how you can make the black place effect using black screen in CapCut PC. For example, add the image or your video you like to edit and go to library, and you can find the black screen. Just add to the tray, but make it as an overlay put on the other clip like this, and make it shorter, sorry, make it shorter, and then copy paste, keep a distance like this, and copy paste again, so on. Sorry. This, and you can see for the final result like this. We go. That's it. Super simple. That's how you can make the black place effect using black screen in CapCut PC. I hope the tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for